Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another website. You can claim your Litecoin from that website. Just go to deposit, copy your Litecoin wallet address and come in this website. This website link available in description. This website pay you 30 to 150 Satoshi every 10 minutes, 20 time claim per day. Just put your Litecoin wallet address in here and just click login. Okay, show you a pop-up ads, just ignore that pop-up ads, is not too hard to close it. First of all, solve this capture. Okay, it's too easy, just solve it. Then solve the recapture. After that, just click verify capture after solving the recapture, and that's it. And that's it. You can see this website send me my Satoshi innocently to my faucetpay. I go to my faucetpay, go to overview to show you the withdrawal proof of this website. Did this website pay me my Satoshi or not? You can see this website pay me. And thanks for watching guys, and this website link available in description. Share the link to you with your friends and watch my videos. All my videos are everywhere on website, and bye bye for now.